Okay friend, welcome to another video. So today in this video we are going to discuss about UDS protocol, which is mainly used in the automotive industry, and UDS is stand for Unified Diagnostic Services. In UDS protocol there are some sets of services and sub functions are there. With the help of these services and sub functions we can read the data from the ECU, and if you want to perform some operation in the ECU, that also we can perform through the UDS. So now we will discuss what is UDS. UDS is a Unified Diagnostic Services Protocols which we are using to read the data from the electronics control unit. If you want to write some data in the ECU, that also we can perform. If you want to perform the programming, okay, firmware flashing, that also we can do. So that is the UDS. Today in this sessions we will discuss about the UDS diagnostic session, which is having a service ID 10 and its sub functions. Now so there is a service ID called 10, you can see in the screen, that is hexadecimal 10. This is called a diagnostic session control. Okay, so through this service ID we can control the diagnostic sessions. Okay, so there is a three type of diagnostic sessions are there. 01, that is called default session, 02, that is called programming session, 03, that is called extended session. What is 01 default sessions? So basic communications between the ECU. So suppose you have connected OBD diagnostic tools in the ECU, and whenever you will turn on the power supply, ECU will get wake up, right? ECU will be get turned on. That period is called the default sessions. Basic things you can read, like OBD is connected or not. Okay, now we have a programming session that is called 02. So in programming session what we can do, if you want to flash the ECU with the programming session services, we can perform. Okay, or extended session, then 03 is called extended session. In extended sessions what we can do, we can read the data from the ECU. How we will read, that part we will discuss in the next video. If you want some write data in the ECU, that we can perform through the extended sessions. So extended session is basically a advanced diagnostic sessions. Okay, now how we can do the practically. Okay, so there is a session 10. If you want to go on the default sessions, you have to go to diagnostic tools and you have to send the command 1001. Whenever you will send the 1001, it will go from the OBD tools, diagnostic tool, to ECU. Okay, then ECU will recognize this session and it will understand you are requesting him to go to default session. After that ECU will give a reply to you. Okay, what reply will come? That reply will come in the positive format, that is +40. Means you will get the response 5001. Okay, it means now you are in the default session. Same way, if you have to do the programming session, you have to send the command 1002 to the ECU. Whenever you will send it, ECU will recognize and it will give you the positive response to you. That positive response will come in the format of +40 and it will become 5002. Then you are the programming session. Same way, if you want to go for extended session, you have to send the command 1003 from your diagnostic tools. Then it will go to ECU and ECU will respond to you as a 5003. Means now you are the extended session. So this is the basics. Today I thought to have a discussion with you. Okay, and so today this is the basics. One session I have discussed with you. You like and subscribe my channel. Every day I will come with one session. It will help you to learn. Plus I will share some of the interview questions to you also, which if you read it, you can easily crack the interview. Now already we discussed, if you send the command 1002 to the ECU, ECU will respond to the +40. If plus 40 means 5002 if you are getting, means you are getting the positive response. What will happen when you are not getting the positive response, means it will come as a negative response. Whenever negative response will come, it will come in the format of 7F. Okay. So suppose if you are sending command 1002, then you will get the response 7F 1002, means you are getting the negative response, means there is the issue. What type of issue? Might be there is which OBD tools you have connected to the ECU, that is not proper. Okay, or else might be issue will be not be power on, or there can be the multiple issue. Okay, because of that issue you are getting the negative response code. Okay, so now we will do the summarize what we have discussed. We have discussed what is UDS protocol. UDS protocol is the Unified Diagnostic Services Protocol. With the help of this protocol, we will read the data from the ECU. We will perform the diagnostic operation in the ECU. We can read the data, we can write the data, we can perform the programming, we can flash the ECU. Okay, so this is the UDS protocol. Now what we discuss, UDS, inside the UDS protocol there are so many services and sub functions are there. Today we have discussed about the 10 services, which is Diagnostic Session Control. Okay, in the Diagnostic Session Control there are the 3 sub functions. Okay, first one is default session, second one is programming session, third one is extended session. What is default session is stand for 01, programming session is stand for 02, and extended session is stand for 03. Okay, now we have discussed about how we can send the request to the ECU, how we will get the response from the ECU, what will be the positive response and what will be the negative response. Okay, so this is the today we have discussed. Please like and subscribe. Next session we will discuss about the ECU resets. Okay, ECU resets, its service ID is 11, and ECU reset is also having a 3 sub functions. Okay, we will discuss one by one, slowly, so you can easily catch. If you have any doubt, if you have any comment, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. Honestly, I am telling, I will reply you back. Okay, plus if you have any doubts, that also you can reach out to me. I will help you on that. Just there is a one request, please join my channel. Okay, that will be one time. If you will join, then I will share all the protocols. I have started with UDS, then we'll go for CAN. After CAN, we will go for the automotive details. Apart from that, I can share you about all the testing process. How is the software development life cycle? What is agile methodology? What is software testing life cycle? Apart from that, Jira, how to use it. Okay, basically this is mainly my intention for this video, to make aware about all the protocol which is present in the market, so you can easily get the job, you can understand, you can easily crack the interview. It will help you to grow, and if you'll grow, your family will grow, and that's how, right? That's how we have to work, we have to earn money, we have to fulfill our dream, we have to fulfill the family dream. Okay, so thank you. Please like and subscribe. If you like the video, give me some points. So I am planning to purchase one board, and through boards and I will explain in proper theoretical way and practical way. I will share all the practical things to you, which will help you to grow. Okay, and with that I can also learn. So thank you. Thanks for watching.